Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Verlinda from Make Money Online. Before that, we are going to my video. Kindly click subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for the video updates. Thank you. Now guys, we are talking about Clickbank products. There are so many products inside of the Clickbank marketplace. What is Clickbank? Clickbank is a top 100 online retailer with 200 million customers. Clickbank sells digital products worldwide created by entrepreneurs, from advice for getting in shape to healthy cooking recipes and dating advice. Clickbank delivers digital lifestyle products to customers in 190 countries. The story of Clickbank is Clickbank sells lifestyle products that are created by passionate entrepreneurs. Our products give inspiration and instruction on topics ranging from training the family dog and paleo, cooking recipes to workouts to become a better surfer. With each click and every sale, our products improve the lives of customers around the world. From garage to global retailer, our journey started when our founder observed that the rapid growth of the internet was created an explosion of websites and digital content. He recognized that the growth of the internet would create an explosion of websites and digital content that would make it increasingly difficult for customers to find the products they needed. Inspired to help customers locate products, our founders started Clickbank in 1998 in a garage in San Diego, California. During these days, our founders would sit in a circle on the floor to manually stuff envelopes with sales payout checks. They so rarely receive a phone call that they would decide who wants to next answer the phone by pointing to each other and calling out, "You're it." Since those early startup days, Clickbank has grown to be a top 100 retailer and a leader in digital e-commerce, driving over 3 million in sales, improving the lives of over 200 million customers, and working with more than 6 million entrepreneurs in 190 countries around the world. Our multilingual customer service team now receives over 2,000 calls each day, no your aid required. The company has offices in Boise, Idaho, and Bromfield, Colorado, delivering world-class products. Ranging from guitar lessons, juicing recipes to slim down, secrets and coaching for bodybuilding, Clickbank works with product creators to translate passion into products that inspire and motivate customers. Clickbank reviews each product based on strict guidelines and works with product creators to ensure products are appropriate for Clickbank to sell. We stand behind our products and strive to deliver an parallel customer satisfaction. Okay guys, and then if you want to making money at the Clickbank, you need to register first. Click create account, and then this is the information or registration that you want to register. You need to register personal information like this, preferred language, country, if you are country. Like me, I'm here in France. I'm selecting France, your name, your first name, last name, your complete address, and then next step, and then banking information also. You need to fill up or give information because your commission products that you sell anything, they will send you your commission to your bank account or the other payment that you choose. And now we are going to the marketplace. If you finish this for registered, and be sure you click confirmation for your email address, and then now we are going to go to the marketplace for finding the products that we will be trying to post on social media. This is the marketplace here. To click marketplace, this is the products or categories that you want to choose. For me, I'm choosing business marketing. I want to make money in marketing. That's why I am choosing business marketing. And then this is a different of the business marketing. And then I prefer Twitter social media to post the Clickbank products because Facebook is very strict. Why? There are so many persons or Clickbank affiliate persons to post the Clickbank products to the Facebook. This is the same product or this is the same affiliate link. That's why it is prohibited in Facebook. But you can post the Clickbank products to the Facebook, but you need first making your own website. Or the other way, you can make a free blog. Go to the blogger.com, this blogger.com, and you can create your own blog. It is free. And follow the instruction. Inside the blogger.com, and you can put in your Clickbank affiliate link inside your blog. And then after you finish your blog, you can post your blog to the Facebook without prohibited. And then we are going to trying to post in the Twitter because I choose Twitter. Maybe it is not strict, but I want to try this to post the Clickbank products. I am just trying this one by John Cristani because there are 490 that $55 that you can sell each product. This is a gravity. You need to choose the higher gravity. And then I can try this. You can click promote. And then this is my Clickbank ID. And then click hop links. Click this one or this one. You can copy the link, affiliate link. And you can post the Twitter. Tweet this one, and then I need the content. I want to copy the content. It's super affiliate, copy this, copy, and then copy for my content. That's why, but you need also to putting a hashtag, at least 3 hashtags. And then so far a funnel, and then click tweet. Okay, I can we will see my Twitter. And it's all, guys. This is the software affiliate system by John Cristani. And then we click the affiliate link. Okay, that's all, guys. That's all, guys. If you are interested to earn money at home, you can try to become an affiliate to the Clickbank products. And that's all, guys. Click the description below for more information on how to join Clickbank and making money online at home. That is all about, guys, for my video. Kindly press the subscribe button for updates about all the latest video of our channel. Press the bell icon and never miss a single notification from us. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.